sure you have a volatility buffer and you understand sequence of returns, then you can probably take out about 6 or 7% per year and still never ever run out of money. And that's really where the fear comes in. Most people are afraid to spend the money because they don't know how long they'll live or how long the money will last. And that's basically because it is exposed to the risk, fees, and taxes. But here's the thing. You'll never be younger or healthier than you are today. So spending it while you can, get some enjoyment out of it is probably a good thing. In fact, even if you want to give it to kids, maybe you give them some money now while you're alive. You can see them enjoy it instead of after you die. But I thought you could only give like $18,000 a year to them. You can give as much as you want. You can give $18,000 for, let's say you and your spouse can each give $18,000 to each of your kids and each of their spouses. So there's a lot of money you can give without filing any reports.
Sure.
But even after that, you can give millions of dollars away and not pay taxes on it. You just have to file a gift tax return. So you mean to say if I gave you $1 million, that's allowed, and you don't pay taxes on it? Correct. And I don't pay taxes on it? Correct. And what's the
Well, this means some of your estate tax exclusion has been used. So at death, then they'll take it off whatever estate taxes you pay.
So all I have to do is fill out a gift tax return. Nobody pays taxes. I just let the IRS know that I've used this much of my estate tax exclusion. That's it.
Right.
All right. So there are many ways to spend money, but the biggest thing that people have the fear of is really running out of money and not sure if they have enough. And we saw this ad campaign a few years ago. It's just, what is your number? What is your number? That's a stupid campaign. What is your number really doesn't mean anything. It really is cash flow.
Well, what is your number should be income related, right? What is your income number that you need?
Yes, that's it. So then also, what are your expenses? Because if there's only two sides to the accounting equation. There's expenses and income. What's going out, what's coming in. So you can control those two sides. You can either reduce your expenses, live poorly, not buy anything, or not spend anything on your enjoyment, your travel, your kids, and just live poorly, or create additional cash flow and income, or convert some of your assets into a source that can not run out of money, that you can continue to live comfortably.
Exactly. And so you want to really determine if you're getting ready to retire or you're already retired and you're not sure if you have enough money. One of the first places that we always start with is to find out how much are you spending or how much would you want to be spending every month. Many people have not really thought of that. You might have a budget. You might say, I'm going to spend, I got my mortgage to pay, I got my insurance to pay, I got this to pay.